Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, everybody. My name is Albert Tan. Welcome to this session of a webinar where we invite the founder of this affiliate booster WordPress plugin to be our guest. And we hope that everybody is happy and well in your place. So if you can hear us or see us in the video, please type something in the chat so that we know who you are. And before that, I would like you to do this one more thing. You can actually grant permission for this Be Live to show your name as well as also your profile photo when you comment in the chat. So guys, please do that, and we hope that everybody will do that. Thank you.
Awesome.
So before we actually start, I would like to ask our guest here, Mr. Kulwant Nagi. Sorry, can you please tell us where are you from, and actually why do you want to start up this company to sell this affiliate booster?
Hi, Albert. First of all,
Hi.
thank you so much for having me. And I'm very much excited to interact with your community because I know you have an amazing community here, the entrepreneurs, the business owners, the new startup guys, even the newbies who are interested to grow their business, especially with the lifetime deals.
You're
So,
right.
yeah. So as you said, I'm Kulwant Nagi and I'm from India. I'm very near to New Delhi. And how I got the idea to develop this plugin, because I am doing affiliate marketing since 2014. I started my career as a blogger in 2011, so it's been a decade I'm doing this. And in 2014, when I started my affiliate marketing career, then I was lucky enough that things started going in good direction. I created a blog, it started ranking in Google, made me some money. And then I once I learned that how to actually find the keywords, write the content, and rank the websites, then I started creating more websites, and then I started generating more money. If I calculate my total numbers, till now I have made more than $700,000 as an affiliate commission. And when I was in this journey, when I started creating so many affiliate websites, I found it very difficult to insert some amazing designs which could stand out the product, which could help me to get more clicks, and above all, which should be easier to work with, because there were so many other players in the market. I have even used Thrive themes for probably 2 years, and then I shifted to Elementor, and then I started matching and mixing up so many plugins. Like for pros and cons, we were using I2 pros and cons. For table of content, we were using another plugin. For shortcodes, we were using another plugin, and we were like introducing 5 6 different plugins to achieve a specific design on our blog. And then I thought, but how awesome would that be if I can create something which can solve my own problem, so that I can insert these amazing designs with just one click. And then this is how I got the idea, and this is how the plugin affiliate booster was born in, I think, August 2020. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the
One
story.
thing that actually catch my what I call attention is 700,000 revenue from your
Dot.
affiliate marketing. So I think that
Exactly.
you are the right guy to talk about this affiliate marketing as
Yeah.
well as your what I call the new plugin called Affiliate Booster. So before we actually ask you to go into the demo mode, I would like to ask you whether is your team is actually based in India or anywhere else? Can you tell us more about that?
Okay. So I got this plugin developed from a company situated in Jaipur, which is obviously in India. And they are working with me since the beginning of this product. So they are so into the product right now. Whenever there is any problem, they immediately know where the problem is, because they have been developing this product from the beginning. So I have my developers from India, and I have my support guy. He's also from India. And apart from that, I don't have anyone in my team. I am the wholly solely working everything for Affiliate Booster. I write all of my emails myself. The graphics are designed by me. The landing page is done by me. Almost everything is done by me. So I'm with a minimal team right now. I have only one support guy, and two full-time developers working on this plugin, who are again
Mm,
freelancers.
I see. So you are a solopreneur, but actually you have a remote team, but
Remote team,
a strong remote team.
I would say.
And
Yeah,
I think there's nothing wrong about that because everybody starts small,
exactly.
and we are actually glad that you are actually being very open to us. Tell us all these things, and I think
Hmm.
that that is the first step to a good customer, what I call engagement.
Exactly.
So without further ado, I think we should actually go into the back end and see how this affiliate booster can actually help affiliate marketers, to make more money. So please,
So let me go there and let me share my screen.
okay, I think your screen is coming up.
Is it visible
Okay,
now?
yes, I can see that.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'll start with the very basic features, that how the backend of affiliate booster look like. So as soon as you install and activate affiliate booster plugin, you'll see the dashboard like this. The very first thing you can do is, if you go in enable disable blocks, here you can disable the blocks which you don't want, because many of the cases all of the blocks are not required. In my case, I personally use only 5 to 7 blocks, and I have disabled all of other blocks which are not needed on my blocks. On some another blog, I need another block. So it is also like mix and match, like which particular block you want for which particular blog, I would say. So here you can enable and disable any of the blocks. If I come back in the dashboard once again, how to use this plugin, simple and straightforward. We have given the instructions, and this is important, global settings. So here in the global settings, you can define that which particular color you want. Button background color. So on all of our buttons, we have this yellow as the normal color, and this kind of greenish color as the hover color. So if you want a different color, so you can define in the global settings, and you can have it different colors for all of the buttons inside the blocks. And like that, we have border color setting, we have button text colors, pros and cons, and box border color. I'm going to show you how to work with all these settings in the later sections. So let's first of all see that how to actually create the block. And before showing you how to create these blocks, I would love to answer one basic query which is coming to me again and again, that is it compatible with Elementor? Is it compatible with DV? Is it compatible with XYZ or whatever? Like, so many people are asking so many questions. My answer is, you can use this plugin, and side by side you can have any other plugin active on your blog. That means by using this plugin, you can have Elementor also, you can have Thrive also, DV or whatever the page builders you are using, but the designs will be created only and only in Gutenberg. Okay, the designs will be created only in Gutenberg, and we don't have any plan to introduce these plugin to make it work with Elementor or make it work with any other page builder. It will always and always be in Gutenberg. Why have we decided to do that? The biggest reason is because Gutenberg is the default editor, where you just go there and you start writing the content. So if I say how to use this plugin, so this is my content title, and here in the content I'm going to say, in this video I am going to show you how to use this plugin. So this is how simple it is. Okay, you are just writing the content as a normal content writer. And let's say you want to add a beautiful design here. I'll simply go there, type slash, type AB, and it will fetch the blocks which are created in affiliate booster. This is the first method, and it will show the recently used, how many blocks there are, 9 blocks. So it will show recently used 9 blocks. Okay, but if you want to access all of the blocks, simply click on this plus icon, go browse all, and here you are going to see all of our blocks. pros and cons, comparison table, call to action, notice block, and so many blocks we have here right now. So let's insert any block. I'll say AB single pros and cons. So as soon as I clicked on this, the design is here. This is how simple it is. Let's say I want to add an image here. I'll pick image of SEMrush. The image has been added. And do you want to change this text? You can say my favorite tool. Okay. Those here I can change the text. I will say good things. And here I can say bad things. You can see everything is customizable. Good thing I'll say UI is good, speed is good, uh, data is good. Data is correct, I would say. Bad things, expensive, and API error. I'm just writing it. Okay, so I'll say API error. So this is how you can simply go there and write. Here you can write whatever the, I would say, verdict of this plugin, and this design is ready. If I go there in the journal settings, here I can do multiple things. If I click on external image, let me show you how this works. I click on external image. So here the image is not visible right now. Let's say you want to fetch an image from any external source. So for that, let me go to my website, kulwantnagi.com. And I will fetch any external image from any third party source. So let's say I want to fetch this image. I'll say right click, copy image address. I'll come back to my design. I'll paste the link here and you can see the image is inserted inside the block. Now this image is not looking good because the size is big. It is not symmetric. So I think we have a setting here where you can reduce the size of the image. Easy peasy, right? And let's see more features. You can change the border color. You see we have different borders. You can increase or decrease the border width. Okay. Easy peasy, so simple. Apart from that, you can change the icons. You see icons are changing. Okay, I can easily change my icons here. Let's say for the bad things, I want to change the icon and I'll say something like,
You can
do we
change
have,
the icons. If you
yeah,
see
so
icons are
it's thumb down here.
easily
And
changed.
if I want to make thumbs up in the
That's
pros, this is thumbs up. Okay, so this is how it works. And typography you can change. If you don't like these default fonts, you can go there in the typography. You can change the fonts. You can change the colors. Let me show you how to do that. So where is the border color? Content color, top pick, background color, text color. Okay, so this is the text color. I think the message is wrong here. It should be top pick border color. So I'll get it fixed. So you can change the border color here. You can just go there and pick any color for the border. Okay. Text color you can change. You see the text color is changing. So literally you can change every color by going in the color settings. Spacing you can change. We have the padding around the content. You can change the padding here. We have multiple buttons. So first of all, let me show you the button settings, because in the buttons itself we have multiple settings. So I can even add an icon inside the button. So if I click here, you see the icon has been added here. I can add any icon by just going here. So I have added the icon here. I can even change the position of the icon. I want to have the icon at right, I want to have the icon at left. Easy peasy. Change the text. The URL will go here. By default, all of the buttons are no follow, because that is what Google recommends, that every button, every external link should be no follow. So we have made it default that all links are no follow. If you want to add sponsored, just put a comma and type sponsor. Easy peasy. This is your button rel. You can make the button rounded. You see it is rounded. You can enable the glimmer effect. You see we have a beautiful glimmer on the button right now. You can I think this is not needed because the design is already fixed. Text color you can change, border color you can change, background color you can have. Let me have this green as the background color. The text color I'm going to change. Apart from that, we have gradients also. If I switch to gradient, you see the button is nice gradient right now. It's looking beautiful. And for the hover, if I click here, so we have nice gradient color for the default as well as for the hover. You can even change the angle of your gradient. I don't think you are seeing this or not.
Yeah, we are seeing that.
Yeah, yeah. So it's shifting. Okay. So we have so many settings for the button also. You can change the padding, margin, border type, border width, and so many things you can do. Good thing about our plugin is you can have, let's say the same product is available on, I'm taking example from India. Same product is available on Amazon, available on Flipkart, and available on Snapdeal. So these are three different platforms. But if there is one button, how would that be possible to promote three different links? That's why we have given two more buttons, which you can enable by going here, button 3, and you see the three buttons are added here. Perfect. In that case, you will have to just add more content here because that will look symmetric. Otherwise, it will not look that good. You will have to come up with more good things so the design is symmetric. So this is the first design I was showing. Let me show you one more design. What we call is verdict block, product verdict. This is my favorite design. Here I can simply add the logo of the product, whichever I'm promoting. Here I can talk about the best keyword research tool, or whatever you want to write. You can simply write here. Pros you can type here. So let me go there and type only these pros. I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. Cons, I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. And rating you can give. The price you can set. I'll say $147 lifetime, whatever. Buy now button. And again, in the button settings, you can make it rounded, make it glimmer, or whatever you want. I can make it larger, medium, small, XL. You can change everything. So this particular design is very good, and we personally use this design in many of our articles. If I go there and show you, let me see in which article we have added this. If I go there in blog section, and if I pick any of my review article, so graphy review, Damio review, and I'll pick system review. So if I open this one, so you see we have added here Damio, the logo will go here, text will go here, pros and cons, rating, pricing, buy now button. Graphy, in Graphy, I think we have used another design, which is again one of my favorite design, and we got this design. One of our users suggested us to get this design, and when I was creating this design, I got one more idea. Let me show you what was that idea. We call this particular design as key point design. So let me show that design here. Key point. So here you can name the product. Let's say I am promoting affiliate booster. You can write the product name. I will say speed awesome designs 28 blocks. I don't know why my fingers are not on going on the right buttons. So you can keep on adding the multiple things here. Okay, you can give a rating and you can change this get lifetime deal. So this is how you can add this particular block, and you can make it even more amazing. How? For that, I simply go there in a website where I'm showing you more and more ideas. So if I open this particular website and if I copy some of the icons from here, I can simply say paste this icon here. I can simply paste this icon here. So it will look like more amazing if I have multiple icons. It will look more eye catchy, I would say. And this is how you can do. But the good thing about this one block is this one block can change your entire, I would say, affiliate game. Why? Because in this block we have added schema. If I click on show schema, it will show schema settings here. So here in the schema settings, you can define that what type of the content it is, like for what type of the product you are writing the content. Is it a product? Is it a course? Or is it a software application? So you can pick according to that. Let's say I'm writing an affiliate article to promote affiliate booster. So it would be a software application. I'll write my title, I'll write my category, operating system is online, I'll write a description, give my rating, let's say 4.9, review count 67, offer price $49, currency is USD. And now this particular article will be a schema optimized article. That means the results will be shown in Google. When people are going to search that article, it will be visible. The ratings will be visible, the data will be visible, everything will be visible there in Google itself. So this one block can be used, and we have used this block here in Graphy. Let me see if it is visible right now, because this article was published way too many. It's not picked up yet, but Google is going to pick that particular schema and it will be visible in that form. Okay, Google sometimes takes time to pick the schema. So this is how this work, and this is the backend. And we created one block recently, maybe I think a month and a half back, and we got the inspiration of that particular block from Adam and Fry. I think you all know Adam and Fry, and I'm the big fan of this guy. And if I open any of this article from this blog, best website builder. So let's open this article, best website builder. Okay, it's taking time. Yeah. So as soon as I open this article, it is showing the nice design at the top of the article where they have talked about best overall. They added an image, product name, description, button, and read the review. So this is a very decent design to conclude at the top of your article. Okay. So we created this block, and let me just recall the name of this block because it was maybe 1.5 months back. It should be comparison table. Let me see what was the name. Product summary, product pricing, product verdict. It should be AP, no, maybe coupon box, product column. Yeah, it was. So the name of this particular block is AB product column. You can write it down if you want. AB product column. By default, it will have a design like this, very simple design. But if you go in the settings and switch to layout number 2, it will come something like this. So here I can add one image, let's say SEMrush. Here I add another image, let's say teachable. And I can even increase the number of columns. So you see here I can increase the number of columns. Simple, very simple settings, because being an affiliate marketer and doing affiliate marketing for around 8 years, because I started in 2014, I know what are the features that are needed and where that feature should be. So based on my own experience, I have created all these features. So this is how this block will look. You can change this text. I'll say favorite. Text is changeable, buttons are changeable. And for every block, if I go there in box 1 setting, I can make the button this color and change the text to this. And you can actually change the button for of every column. If I go there and change the button color of this, text color, I'll say this. And let's say I want to add the glimmer effect only on this button. I'll add glimmer, and now there is glimmer here. So you can see how simple it is, how amazing it is. And this is everything about Affiliate Booster. And I have shown how many blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, only 5 blocks. We have 20. blocks. I think you must be blown away by seeing only these 5 blocks. Imagine what 28 blocks can do for you. Yeah, coming back to you.
Okay. Kulwant,
Yeah.
may I know which is the what I call the your favorite blocks?
My favorite block is product verdict block, first of all, because uh, using that particular block, I can show the image, then a little description of the product, pros and cons, rating, price, and button. That's what it is needed for every product. And
Yeah,
we include
that is what I call a very popular kind of presentation, and
exactly,
I
exactly,
still remember, I mean, I'm also affiliate marketer. To do that kind of a blog, from Elementor or in other work page builder, it takes a lot of effort.
exactly. It takes,
It takes a
and
lot
let
of
me show
effort.
you. It
Yeah,
takes a
it's
lot of
as
efforts, and you need to leave your default WordPress area and then go there,
yes, yes,
which is,
yes.
I would say, it's very hectic process. Let me show you how actually I use these blocks and what are my most favorite blocks. So I'm sharing my screen once again. Albert,
Yeah,
please allow me to have my screen.
yeah, already shown.
Okay, okay. So if I open my article system IO or Graphy, or let's say system IO. So at the top, we have added this block, which is my verdict block, image, description, pros and cons, rating, and everything. And if I scroll down this article, at the bottom, we have added key point. So this block is schema optimized. So Google is going to pick schema from this block, and this is helping us to gain more attraction as well, because at the end of the article we are concluding everything, that all in one, what is there in the platform, pre-designed, and all these things. So this is how we are using this block right now.
That's very cool.
Yep.
Actually, I think this is a very good time saver. I mean, you save a lot of times.
Exactly, because you are not worried about creating the designs, as you can create the designs by sitting in your default WordPress editor. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so that's what I call a very good demo of your backend,
yeah.
and maybe we should actually answer some question, from the
Sure,
audience,
sure, sure.
and then if there is any need to go back to the backend, we can always
We can
go
always
back.
come back. Yeah.
Yeah. So let me project the relevant question first. Okay, this question from Ankit.
Mhm.
Can you see the question? Can you read out the question and
Ankit,
also?
how much the backend code is optimized for the performance?
I think he's
Ankit,
talking about speed
exactly, speed
optimizer.
optimization. Ankit, till November 2021, that means approximately 7 months back, it was not optimized, and we were getting so negative comments everywhere. Even users were coming to us and saying, Kulwant, your plugin is shit. Because it, seriously, because it was taking a lot of load on the website. Even I was very much worried, even I was very much hesitant to use this plugin on my affiliate blogs, because for Google, speed is everything. If your blog is not optimized for speed, it is going to hurt in a big time. And then I thought that I will have to fix it, otherwise this plugin will die. And then I started looking for the developers. I went there, here, I even asked my previous developers to fix this, and they took 2 3 days, and then they gave me code, Kulwant, we can fix this for you, but we will take $11,000, and it will take approximately a month. And then I was sitting like this thinking, $11,000 just to fix the speed. And then I started looking for more freelancers, more experienced one. And then I went to Upwork. Luckily, I found a developer from Ukraine, and he gave me the confidence that, Kulwant, I am 100% confident that I can fix the speed. He went ahead, he checked our code, and he quoted $5,000. For me, it was like 50% discount. And then I said, okay, let's do it. I paid him the money, and ultimately he optimized the speed. And if I go there and share my screen once again, I'm going there and sharing my screen. Okay. So I'll open blog. So let's open, which article should I open? Okay, so let's open this article, this one article, how to write affiliate reviews. Is my screen visible, Albert?
Yes, we can see you in
Okay,
the screen.
okay. Okay, so if I copy the URL, if I go there, if I analyze the speed, so we are using affiliate booster obviously on our affiliate booster website. Maybe there can be little bit speed difference because we are using optimize press to design this home page. Okay, so maybe uh, because optimize press is a heavy plugin, so that can be little bit difference, but I as we have optimized this website in a better way. So let's see what is the speed of that article. So 81 speed on mobile, it is failing somewhere here, but the time to fetch is like very quick. If I go there in desktop version, it is passing the score, and I think the score is 100 out of 100 on desktop. Let's see where it is failing. So the script which is taking time is some Facebook code. Can you see that on your screen?
Yes.
Connect.facebook.net signals.
Mm-hmm.
So this particular code, actually we are using Facebook pixel in the header of our website. So that is taking time. Connect.facebook, again Facebook pixel, and Google Tag Manager, it is calling the tag manager, and then jQuery, this is coming from which plugin? It is like default. So you can see that no file from our plugin is creating this mess. If we optimize this, maybe we can achieve the score of 100 out of 100 on mobile as well. So this is
I
my
see.
answer, that it is optimized and everything is good so far.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, of course. I mean, when we talk about speed optimization, it depends a lot of factors, you know.
Exactly,
So of course,
exactly, exactly. True.
I
Because
mean,
it all depends on how good you are in the optimization, because there are so many factors you need to optimize.
also depend on the server that you are using, your hosting,
Exactly.
where are you hosting, you know, that kind
Exactly.
of thing.
And let me share the real life incidents with you. Earlier, I was using WPX hosting. So
Mm-hmm.
affiliate booster was hosted at WPX. I hired someone to do the speed optimization for me. He tried his best. He spent 3 4 days. He was not able to optimize the speed. It was going up to 80, 85, 80, 87. He said, Kulwant, I have tried every damn thing, but I'm not able to optimize it more. And then I thought maybe the server is causing that problem. And then I went to another hosting, which is rocket.net. I
Mm-hmm.
shifted to rocket.net, and I was seriously shocked to see that when we moved to rocket.net, my mobile score was 100 out of 100, my desktop score was 100 out of 100. So I can confidently, even 1000% confidently, can say that your server plays huge role in the speed.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thanks for your heads up, you know.
Yeah.
So, okay, let's move to the next question. You know, Unais was asking, do you have a public roadmap for your plugin?
Yeah, it is available at AppSumo Deal. You can go there in the question where you can see the roadmap. In the roadmap, the basic idea we have is we are going to give you the freedom to have cloud templates where you create some designs, and you can save those designs in your cloud so that you can fetch those designs anytime. So this is something we are planning. As soon as we have some funds, we will introduce that feature where you can save your templates in the cloud. And one feature which is missing since a long time, where you would be able to fetch the data from Amazon using the API. So we have already introduced that particular feature in many of our blogs. So let me go there and let me give you just quick review, just 30-second quick review. Let's. So is my screen visible?
Wait for a minute. Okay, is visible now?
Okay, it's visible. So Amazon API, we have actually added this one small box in I think 7 designs, which is called Amazon settings. This looks something like this: price short code, rating short code. Only 2 short codes are needed. So the short code will be something like this: Amazon Fields. Right now, we are using a third-party plugin which is called Get AAWP, and I'm expecting that all of you know about that plugin AAWP. So we are
Mhm.
using AAWP plugin to fetch the price from Amazon. So this is the short code of AAWP plugin. So we are using this short code here, and if you see the preview of this article, so it's opening. Okay, I think the API is not connected. Let me see the actual review of this article rather than preview. Let's open the article itself. Or maybe this product doesn't have any price right now. If I go there, first of all, let me check which API I have connected. Let me quickly go in my settings. Here it is in the settings. So we have connected .com API. Perfect. So I'll go there in .com. I'll open any article, any product. Let's say this headset. I'll open this headset, and the price of this headset is $29.99. And I need to find the ASIN code of this product, which should be somewhere here. So this is the ASIN code. I'll copy this code, come back in my article. This is my article, and here I will just insert this ASIN code here. And in the next block, let me insert the ASIN code here. If I update this article, it's updating. If I refresh the article, it should fetch the live price from Amazon. And I repeat, we are using third party plugin. So it's not fetching right now. Maybe my API is wrong or something is wrong, but technically it would show the price here and here. Wherever you have inserted the code, it will show the price there by using the third party plugin. And I am planning to have this feature in our plugin, being independent of any third party plugin. So again, as soon as we have the funds, we'll get this plugin developed and you will be able to fetch the live pricing from Amazon. Yeah.
So which means that we don't have to actually use this AAWP plugin, right? Once you have
Exactly.
that.
Once I have my own plugin, then you don't need to use any third party plugin. Use just our plugin and then fetch the price.
Yeah,
And
that that's okay.
we are planning to introduce as another plugin.
Oh,
We might call it affiliate booster Amazon add-on or something like that, which
I
will be
see.
available for all users.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
coming back to this Unai's okay, which is the ideal way to use AB theme or plugin? So maybe you explain a little
I
bit
don't think
about
there
this
is any
theme.
I don't think there is any answer to this question,
I see.
because
Okay,
it all depends how do you want to use, which setting you want to use. There is no direct answer to this question, I think.
what about the development of the theme?
Sorry.
Yeah, the affiliate booster theme, which actually in the past you have actually developed this.
In the past, yes, we had theme also, but we have stopped selling theme around 5 months back. I think at the end, at the start of this year, we decided that we are going to stop the theme. Why? Because our main product is plugin. Why I started affiliate booster in 2020? Because I wanted to have some designs in my articles, and then along the journey we created the theme also. But after 1.5 year, we realized that we made the mistake, because only plugin was needed in the market. There are so many themes already. There is Astra, there is Cadence, there is Generate Press, Rishi theme, and there are so many themes in the market. So there are already big players who have created very amazing themes. But this plugin was missing in the market. There was no good plugin for the marketers, for affiliate marketers. And then I decided, okay, let's discontinue the theme. Let's don't deviate our focus from the plugin. And then that's why we stopped it.
Mhm. Okay, thank you for your answer. This will
Yeah.
answer Unai's question. Okay, let's move to this question. Can I embed Amazon images? Using the affiliate link. So I think this will come when you develop that new feature, right?
As of now, we can just fetch the image from Amazon, just one image. You can't use multiple image. He's asking, can he use multiple images? No.
Oh, I see.
In
Okay.
one block, only one image will come. You
What
cannot
is the
have
limiting factor?
sorry,
What is the reason only one image but not multiple images?
because every block has only one image option.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, there is only one image. Na? When I was showing you the block, there was only one image option. So only one image can be added. If you want to have multiple images in that block, that is not possible.
Okay. So, Mamta was asking, is there a global setting for buy now button for a particular block?
Uh, I think the question is not clear. Can you please make it more specific? That what do you
Uh,
want to do with buy now button?
okay. So, Mamta,
He's
if you are
he's
around,
saying
please.
global setting also, and he's using the word particular block also, which is confusing me.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Mamta, if you are around, please rephrase your question. Huh? Okay. Tracking codes.
Okay. So let me read the question.
You can read at the.
It's like running.
Yeah,
Made this
I
specifically
mean,
for
if you want to
Amazon affiliate
scroll to
marketing is
the
most used
chat,
in niche site. Is there any plan to add tracking code of multiple countries Amazon sites to redirect to prospective Amazon sites with affiliate tag according to Abdul? We are not going to reinvent the wheel in this particular case because there is already one solution available in the market which is called Genius Link, and they have done pretty nice job in that. So you simply go there, join their $5 per month plan, geniuslink.com, create your affiliate links by going there and use those links in our buy now buttons. That's it. We are not going to reinvent the wheel when there is already a great solution available in the market.
Genius Link is how to spell GENIUS.
Geniuslink.com.
Okay, good.
Even I have created one video on YouTube. If you go to YouTube right now and if you search Amazon country redirect, the first video is mine. You just watch that video where I have explained everything, how to do the country redirection and all these things.
Okay, good. I think this is the same question from Punam Sama.
Poonam, yeah, the question is exactly same. The answer is go to geniuslink.com, and they have a very decent pricing, which is just $5 per month for 2,000 clicks. And I don't think being a new affiliate marketer, you are going to get 2,000 clicks every month. So just pay $5 a month, and they will do everything for you. They will do all of the country redirection and all those activities for you. If you want to know more, let me just go there and quickly share my screen so that I can uh, show you. Is my screen visible?
Coming. Yeah, it's visible now.
So if you go to YouTube and search Amazon country redirect, the first video is mine. There are 25,000 views on that video. Just go there, watch that video. In that video, I have explained that how this works and how can you redirect people automatically. And the service which I'm talking is Genius Link. They charge just $5 a month. And whenever you're going to create any affiliate link, the user will be automatically redirected to that particular store. US people will go to US store, Canada people will go to Canada store, and this particular uh, service is going to take care of everything. So
I
this is
mean,
the solution.
it's 2,000 click per month. So, I mean, if you are making some money, this is
This is
not
nothing.
very expensive.
Exactly. And $2 per 1,000 links. Again, cheap.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's good.
yeah, that's very good. So let's say you are getting 10,000 clicks, $20. What is? It's like
Nothing, yeah.
not,
Okay,
not even to think about. And
okay. Sujit,
10,000 clicks are like too many clicks. You
yeah,
are
it's
going to get 10,000 clicks when you are having traffic in like lakhs. Then 10,000 people are going to click on those links. So
okay.
this is
So
the
I think
service.
Sujit asked this question has also been answered, if I'm not wrong.
Sujit, the question is same. His question is 100% same. That it will show the live pricing when we launch our new plugin. Right now we don't have that plugin, and right now we haven't even started the development, but I have that in my queue, in my pipeline, that we want to give a special plugin to every user, that you can use that plugin to fetch the live pricing from Amazon. You just use that short code in our plugin and it will show the live pricing.
Okay,
Ruhani is saying, does it support dark themes? What is dark themes? Let me go and search on
dark
Google.
theme in dark mode, I believe. Rohani,
Maybe
are
he's
you
talking
talking
about
about
dark
dark
mode.
mode?
Maybe he's talking about dark mode. So in that case, you can customize everything. You can customize your border color. The even the background is changeable. So once you insert the block, it has some border around it. So inside area can be changed. It can be changed to any color also. The inside area of block.
So Jao,
Jao is asking, yeah, his question is genuine. He's asking that if I do global settings, can I customize any specific block? Yes, the answer is yes. So if you have, let's say, defined red color at the top, global settings, in that case, the every new block you add will have red color, let's say the border color. But if you customize that block to, let's say, green, then only that block will have green. All other blocks will be having red border. So yeah, the answer is, if you customize in any specific block, it will have only that color only.
okay, Ruhani clarified his question, So he said natively support dark theme and lighter themes.
Uh, Actually, I am getting this type of the question for the first time. Because we never thought about that darker lighter, how should it work. But the simplest answer, I think, would be just insert the block, change the colors according to your darker theme, and it can work, because we have given every damn setting to change the colors. Just insert
Mhm.
the block, have those colors, and done.
Yeah, Ruhani, just try it out and see whether it works. If not, then put in a support ticket.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, let's move to the next question. There are a few more questions. Okay, this question has been answered, right?
What was that?
Okay, Sharif Ahmad was asking what are the major future updates. So I think
Major future update will be templates only, because we have kind of stopped, I would say, introducing new blocks, because we have 30 designs in our plugin right now, not 28. We have 30 right now because two new designs were recently launched. So we have 30 designs in our plugin right now. If we keep on adding more designs, it will become a, first of all, very big plugin, maybe very heavy plugin also. And we have tried our best to add every possible design in our plugin. Maybe in future you might see 3, 4, 5 more designs, but not more than that. The major update we have in our mind is giving you the freedom to have the templates on cloud. So I'm going back to the previous question where he asked about the dark theme. So if he is having a dark theme and he created any specific block where he changed the border color, the text color, the button color to match the dark theme, he can actually save that design in the cloud, so that next time he doesn't have to create that design again. He'll just go there, cloud, click, fetch, done.
yeah, that is what exactly I was talking to you before before
Yeah,
the webinar.
yeah,
Okay, that's good.
yeah.
DK Tamville. Okay, the speed actually has been speed question has been answered. So the feature
Already answered.
request interlinking.
Interlinking, this is out of the scope of our plugin. This is not our plugin. There is already one plugin in the market, Link Whisper. Go to Google and search Link Whisper. That plugin will do all of the interlinking for you.
Mhm. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is a very valid question about Steve Basler. Any conflict with other plugin? Of course.
Steve, to be very honest, yes, sometimes we face cache issues, because we keep on receiving support tickets where some user installs our plugin and it conflicts with the cache. He's making some changes, it is not reflecting. So in that case, obviously the user will panic. He will say, what the hell is happening? I have paid the money and the things are not happening. He comes to us, he raises a support ticket, and then 99% of the cases when we go to their website, we check, and 99% of the cases it is always the cache issue, because the cache is active, things are not working, sometimes the things are breaking. Even I think last month we had one user, he was adding the blocks and they were going outside the content area. His buttons were going outside the content area, and he was literally very angry at us that your plugin is bad, blah blah blah, and this and that. And then I asked my support guy that please go there and check what is happening. And then we analyzed his website and found that there were some cache problems. His cache was saved which was not getting cleared. So then we contacted his hosting, they cleared the cache on their hosting, the server, and then ultimately the things were fine. So yes, we have some conflicts, but we are always ready to solve if you face any conflict in the future.
Yeah, that's
That's
true
why we are
because
sitting here.
WordPress is a very big ecosystem, and we have so many users worldwide.
Exactly,
And
exactly, exactly. We
they,
can't control every user case.
okay, so this question from Samota. So of course you can import the product from Amazon. I mean, using the async code. Any
Let me
event.
show, because this question is coming again and again. Let me show one feature which I think I missed. So I think my screen should be visible now.
Yeah, it's shown up your screen.
Okay. So if I go at Amazon, okay. So let's say this keyboard, and here it is. So let me add one block here, which I would say topic, maybe topic. So this is the block I have added here. We have three options, and I'm going to show you all options here. The very first option can be, go there in journal settings, activate external image option. I have activated it. Now it is asking for the image src. For that, what I will do is, I'll click on this particular image. It will come in the pop-up. I will right click, I'll say copy image address. I have just copied the address of the, I would say, the URL which is hosted at Amazon itself. I'll come back to my website and I'll paste here, and you see the keyboard has been inserted here. Technically, I am fetching the product image directly from Amazon. Okay, I can even adjust the image of, sorry, the size of this product. You can see it is getting fixed. This is the first option. Second option we have is, let me just disable this external image option. The second option we have is, by default this design is a fixed design, but you can switch it to a dynamic design. How to do that? It is straight in front of you. I'll click on dynamic. Now the design has been converted into dynamic, which means here you can add multiple blocks. Now let me add an HTML block here. So this is the HTML block. I'll simply go to my product. I will click on image. Here I have a disclaimer. I will have to give, because you are going to see this option, site stripe, only and only when your affiliate account is approved. If your affiliate account is not approved, you are not going to see this option. My account is approved, that's why I'm able to see this option. So I'll simply open the product, go there in the image, select the size. I will select the large size. I'll copy this entire code, come back to my design and paste this code here. What I have done is, I have just fetched the product using the short code. So if I preview this particular article, so in the top pick, you see this image is coming, which is coming directly from Amazon, because I have inserted the code, this code. Now what you can do, because this is a dynamic design, after this image you can add our star rating. We have star rating blocks also. It is here, star rating. I can even give it a star. Okay, in the star rating we have size option, we have how many stars do you want to display, and so many other options. If I save this draft, if I refresh the article, you will have the image, the star rating here. By making any design into dynamic, you have more freedom to add multiple designs in that one block. And let me show you one more hidden feature. By default this is coming in the paragraph format. If I go there in journal settings, I can even switch this paragraph into list. Now this is coming in the list format. Now this is coming in the paragraph. So you can do this in other blocks also. If I go there and open my single product block, again in this block, first of all, you can have the dynamic design. You can insert whatever you want here, and by default it is list. You can switch into the paragraph also. So we have so many minor settings. Just explore this plugin and you'll see many hidden settings here. We have even given the setting to enable disable the box shadow also. You see the shadow is coming and going. You can even change the color of shadow, which is like very minor setting, but I just like to play with the features, and we have given the setting to change the shadow color also. Yeah, coming back.
Okay, thank you. Actually, these are actually small little thing that which actually can help to convert. So I mean, as an affiliate marketer, we know that I mean, small little thing actually can convert. But then we
Exactly.
just have to test it in the A/B test. Okay.
Exactly.
So Jao bring up this question of a site
Are
license
the
on the
site
subdomain.
license pointed per domain or subdomain? Will the two different subdomain need two license? Yes, two different subdomain will need two different license, because the subdomains are treated differently.
That's obvious.
Yeah, which is
Yeah,
obvious.
no choice. Okay.
This is not like you buy one license and then install on 50 subdomains. No, that is not going to happen.
Okay. Okay, this has been answered, but then maybe we just
Sujit, at present, if you want to fetch the pricing, then yes, you need to buy AAWP. But if you can wait for few months, I am actually planning to develop that plugin where I will be able to give you that plugin for free, where you will be able to fetch the pricing from Amazon using our plugin. And the good news is we actually tried to develop that plugin, and it is, how much I should say, it is 90% ready.
I
It
see.
is 90% ready. We were having the problem because sometimes it was fetching the pricing, sometimes it was failing. If I refresh my page 10 times, then 7 times it was showing the price, 3 times it was failing. So we are
That's
still in
odd.
the testing phase where it should show the price every time it loads. So I can say the plugin is 90% ready. As soon as we find the solution, we'll make it public.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
good news.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, Sujit has this comment, so I mean, just read it,
Sujit is saying once there was a rumor that AB theme is a copy of some other theme, and you mentioned that FLE Booster plugin many issue back in 2020. That came back is awesome. Congratulations, and we love to say, oh, awesome. Thank you so much. Theme maybe the copy of other themes, because we got the idea from so many themes. We studied maybe 10 good themes in the market. We picked some feature from here, from there, and then combined it. But later we realized that we were on the wrong path, because theme is a very saturated market space and there are already very big name. It was very difficult for us to compete with those big players, and then I decided to discontinue the theme, because as I told in the beginning of this live workshop today, that I don't have any team. I work everything myself. I created the landing page, I write all my emails, I created all these blocks. So I could not, so let me repeat the sentence. I did not want to kill myself That is why I stopped selling the theme.
Yeah, that's exactly, So I mean, we have to be focused, do
Exactly.
what is best, rather
Yeah.
than try to be a jack of everything. Hmm. Okay,
So
let's
Hazel is
answer this
asking,
question.
can I use this with Thrive? If if you are writing your content in the default WordPress editor, then this plugin will work with every theme in the world. But the only condition is you should be working in the default Gutenberg editor. If you go outside the Gutenberg, then it will not work.
Mhm. Okay, thank you. Let-
Wow, we are getting so many questions. Awesome, super awesome.
Now, okay, mom to
It's
come
just
back
filled.
already.
If we are
Mom,
using any particular block on many pages, can we change design from one place, global setting? No, that option is not available, and I think that is the limitation of Gutenberg, because Gutenberg hasn't introduced this feature yet. Maybe if in the future they introduce some feature like that where we are able to do the global designs, then for sure I would think about that and I will introduce that. But as of now, because Gutenberg doesn't have that feature, so it is out of our scope.
okay, school me. Is this a LTD? Definitely is a LTD.
Yep. Jao is saying, I just realized that the customization are next to limitless. Wow, awesome. It's true. It all depends where your mind can go. Like literally limitless customizations.
Okay, Ruhani come back. So he's a duck team guy.
Dark theme, dark theme, dark theme. Uh, Ruhani, I'll suggest one thing to you. Just go to our support. It is store.affiliatebooster.com/support, or I can give the link in the chat. Write to us and let's schedule a call, and then I'll sit with you and let's see if we can find some solution.
Okay, this question. Oh, so how to choose?
Oh,
If
it's
that
simple. It's simple, Sharif. You just open that third image, right click, copy the address, and then call that. Simple. No need
okay.
to think. Like,
No
even
need
if
to
there are
think.
100 images, just open that image which you want. It will show in the pop-up. Right click, copy image address, call in your block. That's it.
Okay. Leo Ku is from KL. So my good friend. So he's asking
Leo, cool. Hey, Kulwant, will you
Thursday
consider building?
affiliate features. Oh, this is
Leo, this
something
is
different.
out of our scope, I would say. This is out of our scope because our plugin is just a plugin to help you create the designs. Maybe in future someone will say, Kulwant, can you please add the pop-up also? Can you please do that also? Because see, these features are out of our scope. The plugin which will do link tracking, that will be a standalone different plugin to track the links. Our plugin is only to create the designs.
Yeah, we have to be very focused. Okay,
Sharif
sorry.
is saying, are we buying the theme or the plugin? We have stopped selling theme 5 months back, so only the plugin is available in the market. We are no more selling the theme.
Let's clarify everything. Okay, guys. I think we have answered all the question. If I'm not, please write in the
Before
chat.
we leave, I want to show one last feature which will make everyone go crazy. Let me just
Okay.
show you one last feature, which is again one of my favorite features. So, can we see the screen here?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So we have table of content block also. So you simply type table and it will show the table of content.
Oh,
Right now,
that's good.
nothing is coming here. Now let's say I want to, let me first of all add 3 4 blocks here. I'll add notice block. I will add single product block, and I will add one more block. Okay, I'll add single product pros and cons. So basically, I have added 3 blocks here. No, I will not add this one because this will not show the title. So let me remove this one. I just want to show any design where there is title. Topic, I think. Yeah. So let's say this is the product. I will say product 1. Let's say this is the product 2. And let's say this is the product 3. Now I want to show these inside my table of content. If you know the functionality of table of content, how this works, table of content is basically a table of content where it shows the content based on the headings H2, H3, H4, and it creates a nice hierarchy. If I open my table of content, if I go there, and no, this article has very long table of content. If I open this one, so my table of content is here. What are the benefits, topic, and all these, like very good hierarchy. So you can create this hierarchy using our blocks as well. So simply select this block, whatever the block it is, go there in the typography, and if I make it H3, you see this is coming in the table of content. Now I'll go in the second block. I went in the second block, I went in the typography. To the heading tag, I'll give H3. Now it has been added in the table of content. And again, to this, I'll give H3, and it has been added here. So this is how you can insert the headings of your blocks into the table of content also. If I want to show this subtitle also, because it should show in the hierarchy, I'll simply go there in my typography, and to this subtitle, I'll give H4, and boom, it is there in table of content. This is how it works. Easy peasy.
Yeah, this is actually a very awesome, what you call features, I would
Yeah,
say.
yeah.
So, yeah, I think let me show you what Mamta say. Yeah,
Wow.
he's very fond of this.
Awesome.
Okay, thank you,
Awesome.
Mamta.
Awesome.
Okay, one more question from DK Tamvil.
Yes, you can do that. You can do that. You can simply go there in your backend and
Disable it now.
disable the URL, and you can add one more URL. So let's say if you have 3 license, so you can disable the URL and change the URL, but the condition is if that URL is not added in your backend, our plugin will not load on that URL.
Okay, that's understood. Okay, multi-site, we have not covered that,
Sujit, to be very, very honest, I haven't tried it because I don't know how multi-site works. But if I give you the default answer, then answer is one license will work on one URL only.
That's only fair, to the developer. I mean,
Yeah.
Sujit. So if you buy one license and then you use it on multi-site, which is to 100 sites, then I think affiliate booster will go bankrupt very soon.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean that's a joke, but that is a fact as well,
Exactly,
So
exactly. But technically, one license should work on one URL only. Doesn't matter it is multi-site, subdomain, or whatever.
yeah, we know that what they call this. Kulwant is doing this for a living, so let's support the founder, and
Yeah,
also so that he can actually develop more advanced feature for us. Okay.
exactly, exactly.
So guys, that's all we have. And some people actually ask, where to buy. You can buy it in AppSumo, and this is our affiliate link. Just click it. I actually put it in the chat. Okay. So before we actually end, I think everybody is waiting for the what you call giveaway prizes. And
Yeah.
tonight we have actually 3 prizes to be given away. And I will officially invite Govan to actually ask 3 questions regarding this what they call affiliate booster plugin. If you have
Okay.
attended this what they call webinar, listen very carefully. You should be able to answer that. So Govan, please ask your question one by one until the person who actually until we get a winner.
Okay. So the very first question I'm going to ask is, I think not able to find that. Let me open system.io. So the very first question is, what is the name of this block? Whoever gives the first answer will get the first goodie as promised. What is the name of this block?
Nobody. Hold on, hold on. It's not shown yet. This is very easy, right?
Easy. It should be easy. I'm trying to find one more article where I can ask my next question.
Can't see the block.
Okay, it's here.
Okay, so this is the one.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, please answer. Top picks, one of them. Affiliate block? No, block.
What is the
BLOCK.
name of this block?
There are 30 blocks in this affiliate booster. Which block?
Yeah.
What is
What is
K
the
point? Oh, I think somebody got an answer.
Okay.
Okay, Kulwant.
Yeah.
So this is the pros and con block, right?
No.
No. So what is called?
We named it in the webinar itself. Should I name it?
No, there is some answer in the chat. So
Okay. If I
somebody
come back
answer
to the chat, then please disable my screen.
key point.
No. So the name of this block is product verdict.
Okay,
Who
Chaitanya
answered
is
first?
so Chaitanya. If I'm
Chaitanya.
not
Yes. Awesome. Chaitanya, I think you gave the first reply, product verdict block. Awesome.
okay, Chaitanya, congratulations. You have won one LTD. So please, Kuban, we have to go for the second
Yeah. So I'm just
question.
opening the article. Yeah. I'm opening the article right now so that I can uh, ask my next question. Okay. So let me share the screen. What is the name of this block? This block which
Guys,
you are seeing.
come on. Name of this block,
I don't think they will remember the name of this one because the fact is even I don't.
But if somebody use it, or I
Yeah,
mean,
I was
then
just
they would.
kidding.
Okay. And top pick, is it top pick?
No.
Product column block.
Yes.
Is it called product column block?
Product column. Yeah.
Okay, product column block. The guy who answer is Prava Chandra. Can you just
Product column.
show your name by giving permission that to this be live so that we know who you are, because it doesn't show your name. I have to go back to the Facebook to check. So Pravas. So
Awesome.
the name is product column block. Okay. Pravas,
Okay. And now I'm
congratulations.
asking a simple question. Very simple question. I think the answer should be very quick. In which month we launched our plugin and which year?
Oh, that is not easy. That is not
I
easy.
talked I talked about this in the beginning of our workshop.
which month, it's not which year. Okay, it can give you a hint, It's okay. Somebody answered. Oh, so many answered. 2021, 2022, 2021. Can you check which is the right one?
Chaitanya, I think he is a die-hard follower. Is it right, Chaitanya? Yeah, it was August 2020.
So are you going to give him another?
For sure.
Okay, congratulations. So
Awesome.
Chaitanya, you won 2 prizes.
Super awesome.
Awesome, awesome,
So
Chaitanya.
this
You
was
pay
it.
very attention.
I think Chaitanya is a user of our plugin. Chaitanya, are you?
Yeah. His answer,
Is
yeah.
is okay.
Okay. Thank you, Chaitanya. You are
Awesome.
great. You have won
Awesome.
many LTD prizes from our group, and I hope that you
Awesome.
won. You will win more. No. Okay.
Congrats.
Okay, guys. We have finished our what they call a giveaway, and you are disappointed if you don't win. Don't worry. You have another 3 prizes to be won.
Yep.
In the Facebook, what they call comment. Go to our official thread. Try to answer, not to answer, try to comment sensibly, ask question or do a mini review on this plugin, and hopefully that you will win. So with that, I would like to say thank you to everybody who
But
stay.
before we wrap,
Mhm.
I would love to ask just one question. Guys,
Yes,
tell me in the comment just one word about the plugin. Just one word. What
just
would you
put it in
say
the
in
put it in the chat. How do you feel about this plugin?
plugin?
Just
Just
say
one word.
something.
Let's see how did people find it. Is it good? Is it making them excited? No brainer. Wow. Simple and fast. Awesome. Affiliate love. Wow.
Okay.
Excellent from your side. Wow.
Yeah, excellent.
Awesome. 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 Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank
And
you.
just grab the lifetime deal because this is my, I think, second lifetime deal in 2022. And maybe in future, I don't know we are going to do lifetime deal again or not. So this is the perfect time for you. Just go and grab it, use it, and in case you don't like it, you have 60 days, I think, money back guarantee. So just go give it a try, and I give you all the best. Keep doing affiliate marketing, keep growing, and keep grabbing lifetime deals.
Okay, this is the typical affiliate marketer. Okay, don't
Yeah,
worry, we
yeah.
are here to stay. So, and thank you guys for your what I call attendance, and also for I would like to thank this Kuvan,
Thank you
for
so much. Yeah.
showing up here with his experience, in the affiliate marketing, and he had created this awesome affiliate what they call booster plugin, so that we
Yep.
can actually use it, in our affiliate marketing.
Awesome.
So with
Awesome.
this, I will say good night and thank you,
Night.
everybody.
Thank you,
And
everyone.
Kuan,
Bye.
thanks
Yeah.
again.
Thanks for
Bye
having me.
bye.